Hi guys, good afternoon, good morning. Let's start this vlog. Ooh, I look crazy. Sunny Bonani and Shani, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start. Ooh, what do I have? I was wiping the camera. Let's just start this vlog. Why am I having all things dirty? Lord. I am going to the salon. So I think I look cute. So I'm going to the salon to do my hair and then to remove my nails. And then after that, I'll see what else I'm going to do. But I want you to come along with me because hey, I'm not so sure about what I'm dressed. You. I could just actually look cute like this. What do you think? Why there's always, it's okay, stop with the whatever. It is so packed. Vlogging is dealing with me. I'm not gonna lie to you. Anyway, now Susan is starring because of education. Man, I can't come on. So now I'm on my way to the salon. I've changed the salon I was gonna go to because child had no petrol. Hey, but I haven't bought petrol in such a long time. I don't even drive around. So because I also want to go to the bank and get my card, I might as well just go to Banmo because I really need to fetch my card. When you're recording, where do you look? You look in front. I can't put it in front because I need to still see. Hey, abelong. So when vlogging is a full-time job. Who said it wasn't? So just messing around. I also need to pass by here. I'm gonna go at home. They said there's nice perfumes. I need to. You guys, I've been sober for the past today's a Thursday. I drank on Monday, but I didn't drink on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Wait, it's only 3 days. I accept it. It's only 3 days. So let's go to the salon. I'll see you guys when I get to the salon. Yeah? Yes. Good.
Hey, Jota Talent, I know road. Hey, Jamala Seka. Awe, mzingani wako. Yala something of hope. Oh, kawa. Talent, umepila mnani. Kujua ina road. Talent. Jamala Seka.
So basically trying to, tidy in there before I sleep. Trying to clean because I woke up, went straight to the salon, did a bit of groceries, And then I have to wash these dishes. You would say I stay with a lot of people because I sometimes don't wash my dishes and then I wait for my helper. But I feel like we need to wash today because zingcwaba zingcolile. Mina-ke nje Nkosi yami ngivila nje sheme uNkulunkulu ngiyazinqena nje ukusebenza ngifuna. Uma ngibona ngisebenza ubabona nje ubukwazi ukuthi nje ngiphoqelele futhi sengiyenze nje ngenzela nini uYouTube. Otherwise nje mina angifuni ukuclean. Angithandi ngempela. Yabona lento engiyenza manje ngiyatatazela-ke ngi-up and down. But anyway, now I'm on my PJs because I'm preparing to just take a nap, but I'm a bit hungry. So I am going to have lentulin and just chill a bit and and relax and think before I sleep. When you stay by yourself, you have to talk to yourself. Like anything and everything, you just need to speak to yourself. And the views I've sent in are just too good. Are just too cute. Just too marvelous. Gondovisias. But then now I have a tendency of not closing when I sleep. But today we are closing them. You what look at so I self. And just like that, my people, I have to prepare to sleep. Close my curtains. But anyway, good night. Good night. Hi guys, Sanibonani Njani. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, my people. Let's spend a day. Okay, let's spend the weekend together. I'm going to Food Lovers. I agree too. So I'm going to Food Lovers to get some food, some items. Yeah, I didn't greet you. I nearly died in the morning when I was running. But I'm gonna ask you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like on this channel. Just press like, and just leave. Subscribe is also free. You're not paying anything when you subscribe. So I think I look cute. I don't know. I think I look cute. This dress. At right time. Yeah, I haven't eaten, so I've got work to do. Let me rush to Waterfall and go get some things so that we cook. So you're gonna spend a day, you're gonna spend a weekend with me. This is the day one of this vlog. So yeah, we're gonna see what I'm gonna do tomorrow on a Saturday and then Sundays. And then we drop on Sunday. I'll be watching this vlog today, which is on Sunday. I'll be watching it on a Sunday. Yeah, I'm recording on a Friday, but it'll watch it on a Sunday. I think I need to, spend the weekend with me. Mwah. Love you. Guys, I am going to, I don't know, but I don't know.
Principal sum and previously accumulated interest. In short, the
For the first time.
Okay, I think it looks better, ne? I think it looks better now. If I do this, yeah, I think it's giving some nice what, ne?
Utshwala buyazakhe likesha mfana omncane. Utshwala buyazakhe likesha wemfana omncane. Utshwala buyazakhe likesha mfana omncane. Utshwala buyazakhe likesha wemfana omncane. Utshwala buyazakhe likesha mfana omncane. Utshwala buyazakhe likesha wemfana omncane. Sibone ngathi umncane, sibone ngathi umncane, sibone ngathi umdala mfana omncane. Utshwala buyazakhe likesha wemfana omncane. Sibone ngathi umncane, sibone ngathi umncane, sibone ngathi umdala mfana omncane. Utshwala buyazakhe likesha wemfana omncane. Utshwala buyazakhe likesha mfana omncane. Utshwala buyazakhe likesha wemfana omncane.
Gangs to do the petrol because child, this girl never has petrol. Every day there's no petrol. Every day I don't have petrol. Where's my? It's on the other side. Every day it is no petrol. Okay, you right? Yep, time.
Utshwala buyazakhe likesha mfana omncane. Utshwala buyazakhe likesha wemfana omncane. Utshwala buyazakhe likesha mfana omncane. Utshwala buyazakhe likesha wemfana omncane. Utshwala buyazakhe likesha mfana omncane. Utshwala buyazakhe likesha wemfana omncane. Sibone ngathi umncane, sibone ngathi umncane, sibone ngathi umdala mfana omncane. Utshwala buyazakhe likesha wemfana omncane. Sibone ngathi umncane, sibone ngathi umncane, sibone ngathi umdala mfana omncane. Utshwala buyazakhe likesha wemfana omncane. Utshwala utshwala buyasakhe likhehla mfana omncane utshwala buyasakhe likhehla mfana omncane